So imagine having a child like this. You see me say, man, enjoy himself. And pity do you know that there's some leftover chicken we never want to eat. See it there? See chicken there? One bite him take and say belly full, but me have a next story for him, or I have a different guest coming. I go eat it.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Indeed, at that time I go add some carrot, some green onion, and some white onion to the thing. You see me? Remix it now, man. See it there, you know? Nice looking piece of chicken leg. Boy, take one bite and feast I hit that. No. Guess what? I go add one egg in the thing. And some extra rice somebody have because me want to eat some too. And then boom bang, I go throw some oil in a hot pan, make it heat up. Boom. Go add some white onion. Of course, I have to put the carrot to because I want the thing to tough. I go throw some mixed veg in this something. You see me? So boy, I go eat up not only leftover food but in veggies. And of course, I go add some black pepper. Because you don't know pepper green Creole. You get it? Yeah, man. And of course, some salt. I will just toss that up and make sure every flavor married. You see it? I go put some fresh garlic. You see me? Because I don't know fresh garlic in a vegetable make everything better. You see it? Go into the green onion and look how a vegetable look ripe. Like Tony say, I love you like a fresh vegetable. I'm going some garlic powder, some onion powder, you see me? That I go elevate the flavor more. Of course, some soya sauce in the thing, man. Look how that look good. You see me? Some ground ginger, because we know the fresh one, you see it? That part of foreign and so bossy. And see a piece of chicken leg with the boy chamba. I go just shred that up and put it in it. Because nah, that's the way. See rice there with ketchup and everything. I'm going to put that in there when I watch no face. You see me? Then I'm going to add fimi extra rice in the thing. And then pour little water to make it thing nice and moist. You see me? Yeah, man. And the thing can't air, you know. If you don't put some butter. Look how the butter melt nice. But when I done yet, you know, a one pot meal set in. So guess what? I go broke the egg and throw it right in at the center of that, you see me? And then I go want to just break up the thing and do your scrambling right in the center. No need for a different pan, you see me? As soon as that egg is perfectly scrambled, you're just going to toss that up with the rice. If you don't afford from, you can imagine what this tastes like already. Can you? Leave the comment below. Yeah, man, a quick fix, man. Nothing now waste, nothing now dash way. And look, oh jeez. No, tell me now, look on that. You can't tell say I leftover food this. Or nyama left. Jano. So I do right now. I stir this up for about a minute and a half on high heat. Ensure not to let it sit in and you have to stir constantly so the rice not burn. Now watch there. Watch there. Boss the only thing me can't give no visitor this because guess what? The boy bite up the chicken, so me and him have to go beat it off. You see me? Me and him have to go make sure say we eat this, we can't get a stranger. But it look good though. For your leftover Creole or Rashafé. Yeah man. Jamir. You get trick. How does your dinner from 2 nights ago taste like? Mister, I'm going to put my dinner in the fridge because I'm too tired to eat. There you go. Well, we're gonna remix it for you, bro. Here you go.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, no, thank you. Don't waste nothing. Boom. And that's how you trick them.
Dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.